Good morning, welcome to the classroom for all. Last week Emmanuel reminded us that 0 times anything will always equal 0. So 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 times 2 equals 2. As Emmanuel reminded us last week, anything times 1 will always equal itself. Chloe, after visiting your brother in hospital and receiving help from him with your 2 times table, can you tell us what you learned?
Yes ma'am, Luke had one broken leg. In order to fix his broken leg, the doctor had to put 2 pins in Luke's broken leg. This amounts to 1 times 2, which equals 2. Once a day Luke takes 2 vitamins to boost his immune system. This is also 2 times 1 because it is 2 vitamins in 1 day, that is 2 times 1, which equals 2. Did you notice that 1 times 2 is the same as 2 times 1? I bet you didn't. Hey Joey, why don't you WhatsApp that to your dad?
Well done, Chloe. Can you explain it to us more clearly?
Yes ma'am. You see, whether I say that every day Luke takes 2 vitamins or Luke takes 2 vitamins every day, I am saying the same thing. I am talking about 1 day and 2 vitamins. Whichever order I use, the answer is still 2 vitamins. So 1 times 2 equals 2 and 2 times 1 equals 2.
Fantastic dear. And did Luke teach you the rest of the 2 times table?
Yes ma'am, he sure did.
Great. Let's hear it then. How does 3 times 2 equals 6, Chloe?
Oh, that's not hard for me anymore. If Luke takes 2 vitamins on day 1 and 2 vitamins on day 2 and 2 vitamins on day 3, then he took 6 vitamins in 3 days. That is the same as saying 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Don't forget that 3 times 2 says the same thing and also equals 6.
Well done, clever girl.
Thank you ma'am.
Are you going to tell us the rest of the 2 times table?
4 times 2 equals 8. Luke had 4 visitors in the morning and 4 visitors in the afternoon. So altogether he had 8 visitors and 2 visiting opportunities. 4 visitors, twice is 8 visitors altogether. That is the same as saying 4 times 2 equals 8.
Yes, and of course, and if 4 times 2 equals 8, then the other way round is also true. 2 times 4 equals 8 as well. Good girl, Chloe. I have no doubt that Luke taught you the whole 2 times table. Shall we give someone else a chance now?
Yes ma'am.
Joey, how would you explain 5 times 2 equals 10?
Well ma'am, that is easy because my dad helped me. Dad drives to work and back every day. So he drives twice in 1 day. He drives twice on Monday. He drives twice on Tuesday. He drives twice on Wednesday. He drives twice on Thursday. He drives twice on Friday. He does not drive to work on Saturday or Sunday. In total, my dad drives to work and back 10 times from Monday to Friday. 2 trips every day for 5 days is 10 trips. So 2 times 5 equals 10.
Yes, quite right, Joey. 2 times 5 equals 10. And 5 times 2 equals 10 because 5 days of 2 trips per day is the same as 2 trips for 5 days.
Huh. And 6 times 2 equals 12.
Yes, and 2 times 6 is 12. If one child has 2 gold compasses, and a second child has 2 gold compasses, and a third child has 2 gold compasses, and a fourth child has 2 gold compasses, and a fifth child has 2 gold compasses, and a sixth child has 2 gold compasses, then how many gold compasses do we have amongst all 6 children? Yes, there are 12 beautiful gold compasses. 2 beautiful gold compasses in the hands of 6 clever children will be 12 altogether. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Looking out the window I see 6 birds in 1 tree and 6 birds in a second tree. That is 6, twice. That is 6 times 2. I see 6, 2 times. Altogether there are 12 birds. 6 times 2 is 12, and 2 times 6 equals 12.
And 7 times 2 is 14.
Great stuff, Chloe. And 8 by 2 equals 16.
Yeah, and 9 times 2 is 18 and 2 times 9 is 18.
10 times 2 equals 20. And in Germany I did learn that 2 times 10 also equals 20.
Well done our little German exchange student. We are proud of you.
Yeah Brunhilde, you are doing great. And 2 times 11 equals 22.
I get the last one. 2 times 12 is 24.